In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Squarespace link, a task that can easily be done in just under 5 minutes. This straightforward process will guide you through each step to ensure your site navigation is set up exactly as you desire. So, let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to Squarespace. You will want to log into your account and access the platform from either your desktop or a preferred device. Once you're in, you'll be routed directly to the dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage and modify your website's various components. If you need to make changes to your site, simply locate the Edit Site button and click it to enter the site editor mode. Now that we're in the editing mode, it's time to find the specific link you wish to change. You will notice a variety of icons present along with your navigation menu, or perhaps within the content itself if you're updating an internal link. Look for the one that depicts a typical chain link symbol. This is the link icon. Squarespace uses this recognizable icon for all link settings, ensuring consistency across their platform. Give it a click to access more options. Next, you'll enter the link settings. Here is where you can update the URL to your desired new destination. A small window should pop up, allowing you to input a different URL. This feature gives you the flexibility to redirect visitors to external websites, shuffle them among different pages on your site, or even set up email links. Make sure to double-check the URL you've entered to ensure there are no typos. Accuracy matters. After inputting the new link, it's important to follow through with saving your changes. This is what officially implements the new settings onto your site. So once you're satisfied with the URL you've entered, locate the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the edit box. Give it a click to preserve your changes. Always ensure that you finalize the alterations in your site editor by waiting for the confirmation notification or checking the live site afterward. That's it. You've now successfully updated a link on your Squarespace site. Remember, regularly revisiting and optimizing your site's links can enhance user engagement and improve the overall navigation experience. Whether it's updating an outdated link or simply directing your visitors to new content, keeping links current is essential. As always, make sure to refresh your page and check that everything appears as it should be visible to potential site visitors. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy site management tips. Until next time, happy editing.